Welcome to Miadomus, where timeless elegance meets cutting-edge innovation right here in the heart of Miami. We design and manufacture high-luxury kitchens, baths, vanities, and closets for the most refined residences across South Florida, from oceanfront villas to intercoastal penthouses. With advanced CNC technology and precision edge banding from Germany and Italy, our in-house production ensures unmatched craftsmanship, speed, and quality. Our expert design team works closely with homeowners, architects, general contractors, and developers, delivering bespoke solutions with exquisite detail and technical mastery. From fully integrated kitchens and spa-like bathrooms to custom closets and vanities, every Miadomus creation blends form, function, and art, made in Miami. Miadomus, redefining spaces, creating experiences.